You are what you are. You have to be what you are, and you should always think that what you are. This is the essential element for becoming a person of your choice. If you are looking forward to become a person of the better vision, think and accept what you are. Are you on the right path to become what you are? If your answer is yes, then you have to pay the attention to those 3 mistakes that every startup must avoid. Every startup should avoid. We are going to discuss about those 3 mistakes that every startup should avoid, and how we are going to discuss. Today we are going to discuss about the validation process. Whether you are falling in that particular category where you need to avoid those mistakes, so that's the process called validation. My name is Suresh Shetty. I am a business transformation and growth coach. I have total 40 years plus experience in not only business coaching but also in the corporate HR in terms of the HR leadership, and I got the opportunity to work with best of the CEOs in the world. I'm looking forward to help the business entrepreneurs who wanted to start their business as a part of their life's dream to become what they are. And in this journey, I'm going to guide all those business entrepreneurs to achieve their destination, to achieve their goal, to realize their biggest ever dream. Today we are going to discuss about those 3 mistakes that every business entrepreneur must avoid. To begin with, the first mistake. If you are looking forward to become successful startup leader, yes, this is meant for the startup leaders as you are going to start your business. The first and foremost mistake that every startup leader must avoid is by ensuring that they get engaged into building their own business. Building business is very much essential. If you don't build business and if you try to venture into your startup, you end up getting frustrated and likely to become a part of the 90% failed startup. That's the research done by Eric Griffin in 2014. This report was published in Fortune magazine. It says very clearly that only 10% of the startups are successful. So I'm going to help you how to become a part of 10% startups and not 90% startups which fail. So second part, when we are looking forward to build your business, obviously you have to ensure that your time, your quality time, your important strategic time should be available for your business, for building your business. So how that is possible? Simply you have to follow 85, 10 and 5 principle. So what is this 85, 10, 5 principle? It talks about 85% of your time in the business you must dedicate towards your strategic role. 10% of time you have to dedicate towards operational work, and 5% of your time you have to devote towards carrying out those transactional activities. And those business entrepreneurs, those startups who follow this principle 85, 10, 5, they are going to become successful because they invest their strategic time to build their business. And the third mistake that you should be avoiding is hiring a wrong team. What happens when Erin Griffith did her research, she found 20 reasons, and one of the reasons was that startups have failed to hire the right people for the right job. And this is very crucial because whatever time that you invest in interviewing the candidates, whatever time you invest in selecting the candidates, you have to make sure that you are pretty very clear about the desired job role that you are looking forward from those team members, and you should be in a position to align your questions to understand the candidate, whether candidate possess the requisite experience to perform the role. And if that is so, then you will end up hiring a right candidate. And when right candidate joins you as an employee, your success in the business, your success in the startups are very high. So again, I would like to just make an appeal that please visit our YouTube channel and make sure you give your comments, you like the videos, and also you have to subscribe to the YouTube channel. This YouTube channel consists of several videos on business management. So all business leaders, all business entrepreneurs, all startup leaders, all family business owners will be able to hone their business management skill if they subscribe to this YouTube channel to get access to more than 100 videos. So with this, we are looking forward you to visit description column and fill up the Google form on available link and get access to the Google form, fill up the Google form, and once we receive your Google form, I assure you to provide you 20 minutes discovery session. It will be either through Zoom call or a teleconference as appropriate, and I'll be able to help you to identify your business challenges, to identify your business pain areas, and will be able to provide a customized solution. That is for sure, because I have a good amount of experience of helping the startup leaders, and both the books, the first book, The Power of 9 Rules to Accelerate Growth, Blueprint for Business Leaders to Ask and Receive, and the second book, Stuck in Business, 5 Exponential Growth Hacks to Achieve 10x Profits. Both the books are bestseller on Amazon, and my second book, Stuck in Business, which was written as a part of the success story of one of my clients when he was a startup and when he failed, how I help him by virtue of my consulting and my coaching framework, and that has really helped him to recover and to achieve 10x profits. So these books are available on Amazon. You can always go and buy these books at the best of the offer available. Till then, thank you.